Hey guys, Dennis here with Source One Environmental. I'm here to talk to you about another great Quadex product called Quad Plug. So Quad Plug is a blend of hybrid cements and admixtures. It's designed to instantly stop running water or slow seepage. Works in all types of concrete and masonry structures. It's a non-shrinking product and it expands as it sets. As you can see here, it comes in a 5-gallon bucket. It's 50 pounds and there's no mixing involved for this product. So how to apply it is you would prepare the crack or the hole by chipping all the loose material out to a minimum depth and width of 3/4 of an inch. And then how to apply it is very simple. With a gloved hand, you place a generous amount of the dry Quad Plug over the leak and you let it set for 30 seconds. And this is recommended for sewer pipes, manholes, concrete tanks, basements, and concrete and masonry walls. So a lot of applications for this Quad Plug product. Any more questions, call our customer service line, check out our website, and check out some more of our YouTube videos, and thank you so much for watching.